Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you step-by-step solution to fix Battlefield 6 crashing on PC.
Fix 1. Update Windows and drivers. Step 1. Press Windows, I Update and Security. Windows Update, check for updates. Step 2. Update GPU drivers, NVIDIA, AMD. Step 3. Restart PC. Launch Battlefield 6. Fix 2. Verify game files. Step 1. Steam library. Right-click Battlefield 6. Properties. Local files. Verify integrity. Step 2. EA app My Games, Battlefield 6. Repair. Step 3. Launch the game. Check if it crashes. Fix 3. Disable overlays. Step 1. Steam properties. Disable Steam overlay. Step 2. EA app Settings General. Disable overlay. Step 3. Launch the game. Fix 4. Run as administrator. Step 1. Right-click Battlefield 6. Properties. Compatibility check. Run this program as administrator. Step 2. Apply. Launch the game. Fix 5. Adjust in-game settings. Step 1. Open Battlefield 6 settings. Graphics. Step 2. Lower intensive settings. Ray tracing. Ray tracing. Shadows. Resolution scale. Step 3. Save. Launch the game. Fix 6. Clear temporary files. Step 1. Press Windows R %temp delete all files. Step 2. Restart PC. Launch Battlefield 6.